Well, we all know about the sights and the sounds of the seasons, but what about the smells? We stopped by Eco Candle Company in downtown Appleton to learn about some festive holiday candles. Take a look.
Hi, I'm Shelly Nystrom from Eco Candle Company in downtown Appleton. If you're looking for some scents to fill your home this holiday season, we have lots to choose from here. All our candles are hand-poured soy candles, and we have 3 different holiday collections. The Home for the Holiday collection is our first collection. Comes in a little gift box with a wood lid. It's kind of the more homey scents, your whipped pumpkin, firewood, harvest, all the really homey, warm scents that make you feel at home. We also have the Spirit of the Season collection. It comes in 4 different scents: peace, joy, cheer, and Noel, all the different feelings of the holidays. Joy is one of our best sellers. It's a pine and eucalyptus. Everybody likes the scent of pine in their home in the winter. Cheer is a black currant and cassis scent, and so it's very cheerful and uplifting and fruity. Peace is lavender and mint, and it's just a very calming, soothing scent. And Noel is the classic frankincense and myrrh, so you can't have the holidays without that. Right. And our third collection is the Holiday Classics collection. These are all your classic holiday scents, like Winter Wonderland, which is a mix of pine, spruce, and fir. We have Snowflakes, which is a minty floral scent, 2 of the best sellers there. Spiced Cranberry is another bestseller. We have Eggnog, Winterberry, Frostbite, all the classic holiday scents that you would want to fill your home. Prices range anywhere from $10 upward to $30, so it's a great gift idea for everybody on your list.